What's up, guys? It's CJ Trades back here on another video, hosting with ICU FX Trading. I'm the mentor, CJ Trades, and we're going to be taking a look at EURUSD, how to trade this live. Okay, obviously on this chart here, we see a downtrend. We see price trending down, push it back up, trending down. Okay, so we want to draw a downtrend line. Okay, so this is something we call the downtrend line. This red line I'm about to mark on the chart is a downtrend line. And what does this downtrend line resemble? Okay, it resembles every time price pulls this line here, it drops. Very, very simple. Price pulls up, tries to break, and it continues to drop. Okay, let's see where that line went. There we go. Price continues to drop. Price comes back down and continues to drop. Now here what we're looking for is this. We have a breakout of the trend line. And then not only do we have the breakout, we have candles closures above, which showing us, hey, price is going to move up. Price wants to be bullish now. And what's the difference between bullish and bearish? Bearish is nothing but sellers and bullish is just buyers. It's a bulls and bears market. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this confirmation here. Okay, we have this double bottom here. And what is a double bottom? A double bottom is when price comes to touch twice. We got one touch here. Okay, let's actually mark these. One touch here. And then we have another touch here. Okay, price comes to touch this here. And a double bottom just resembles the letter W. It's very, very simple. The letter W, as you can see, price comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. It just resembles the letter W, okay? Now we want to mark areas of interest, okay? And what is an area of interest? It's where price continuously to make a lot of movement at, okay? Price continue to make movement in these areas here, okay? So boom, we had an area of interest here. Price came in, okay? Made higher highs, higher lows, and broke right on through here, okay? So that was an area of interest. Now we want to see what's above here, okay? Boom. We have another area, okay? We want to see price break through here. Okay, this is a bunch of interest here because price was had a lot of movement here. Okay, so we got take profit 1 here, take profit 2. Okay, another area of interest here. You see how price is continuously moving in this area. Okay, we need price to fill that gap again. Righty. Okay, price to fill that gap there. Boom, price filled. Okay, then take profit 4. We really just want price to come to the high. Okay, this orange line. So what am I looking for right now? Right now, I'm looking for a fair value gap. We're on the 1 hour time frame right now. I want to get a fair value gap. Okay, we have a fair value gap right here. Boom. And what is a fair value gap? Just 3 consecutive candles, okay? Let's go ahead and change that color there. Change it red. Just 3 consecutive candles. Okay. Okay, we got a fair value gap here. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. I want price to fall back into this fair value gap. Okay, we got 3 consecutive candles. We took the first candle and connected to the third candle. Alrighty. Now we have our fair value gap. Now I just want price to fall back into price here. Okay, I wanted to fill at least 50%. Okay, fill in at least 50% of the fair value gap. Put my stop loss back inside of the trend line, the downtrend line, and then I want to target the highs, okay? So here we got 4 different take profits. We got take profit 1 here, TP2, all in the zone here, okay? TP3 and TP4, okay? And if you're the trader that's just going to hold the trade all the way up, price will go up there. It's going to make higher highs, higher lows all the way to the top. And if you're the trader that takes profit partials in each zone, that's totally fine, however you trade. But this is how we look at this trade chart live. And it only took less than 5 minutes. Super easy. So the point of this is not to overcomplicate your charts with so many indicators, so many lines and everything. We can see here, I'm only using 10 drawings in my chart right now. 10 drawings. Okay. It says I have 3 indicators, but I'm actually using 2 indicators on the chart, the 200 EMA and the 9 MA. And it's very simple. And this is how we get high probability trade setups, by just looking at the chart and figuring out our confirmations. Okay. We have euro stronger than USD. Perfect. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Don't forget, guys, to like, follow, and subscribe.